EA250W Indoor Wallpaper LED Wall Screen is a well-designed and powerful display solution designed specifically for high-end indoor applications. Its lightweight cabinet design allows the screen to be directly installed on the wall without the need for complex structural support. This not only saves space, but also enhances the aesthetics of the indoor environment. EA250W adopts vacuum suction cup tools for front-end maintenance, making daily maintenance and repair work more convenient and efficient. It can be operated without disassembling the entire screen, reducing maintenance costs and time. The cabinet structure design of the screen is very perfect, especially the application of angled cabinets, ensuring the best visual effect in various installation environments.